Evapotranspiration is the process by which water is transferred from the land to the atmosphere by evaporation from the soil and other surfaces and by transpiration from plants. It is the sum of evaporation and plant transpiration from the Earth's land and ocean surface to the atmosphere. Evapotranspiration is the combined name for the process of evaporation and transpiration. Evapotranspiration is the name given to this combined process. Evaporation accounts for the movement of water to the air from sources such as the soil, canopy interception, and water bodies. Evaporation refers to the process in which the liquid form of water changes into gaseous form. Temperature is the prime element which affects the rate of evaporation. There is a positive relationship between these two variables: areal extent of surface of water, wind, and the atmospheric humidity are the other variables which affect the role of evaporation. The rate of evaporation increases with increase in wind speed, increase in temperature, decrease in humidity, and increase in areal extent of surface water bodies. Transpiration is a loss of a plant's water to its environment through evaporation. Water is absorbed through roots, evaporated from the plant's surface. Transpiration accounts for the movement of water within a plant and the subsequent loss of water as vapor through stomata and its leaves. The water content in the plants are released into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. Much of the water taken up by plants is released through transpiration. The rate of transpiration is affected by the temperature, wind, and humidity, the soil water content, and the ability of the soil to conduct water into the roots. The nature of the plant parts, including barks and leaves, also determine the transpiration rate. Evapotranspiration is an important part of the water cycle. An element that contributes to evapotranspiration can be called an evapotranspirator. Evapotranspiration is an important process in the water cycle because it is responsible for 15% of the atmosphere's water vapor. Without that input of water vapor, clouds could not form and precipitation would never fail.